Hi guys, my name is Asanda Kate and welcome to my YouTube channel where I give you my takes and opinions on trending topics happening globally. So I'm going to be speaking particularly about Linda Bagasnenhlanhla Mthembu and her basically allegedly being in ICU intensive care unit after the burn wounds she got in results to allegedly trying to burn down the car of her partner or of her abusive partner. If you haven't been following the story, this is what's been happening, right? There's a hairstylist, a famous hairstylist in Durban, Kamala Kusnenhlanhla, who is in a very I don't know if they who was in a very domestic situation in the sense of she was in a toxic abusive relationship with a guy who was named Andile, and that guy is allegedly 6 years younger than her, and he was incredibly abusive. So it's alleged ukuthi these two have been abusing each other. However, when you look at Ukulimala Ebusweni, Usne has more wounds than Andile has. Unesbazi lana, she has amapopo under her body, she has black marks, she had a black eye, and it's alleged that she's in a very abusive relationship with this Andile guy, right? I'm sorry, I want to take this video in one take. Manje kunomsindo ngemuva nginqanulo ngikhuluma ngivala kanjalo kanjalo, so kunomsindo ngemuva. I'm just telling you guys it's a bit noisy in the background. Please don't nag the background, nagani mina, right? So yeah, this girl basically was crying for help on social media, talking about her partner has been abusing her and she's been calling the police numerous times, and they're not attending to her case because it's alleged ukuthi lo guy lo nobaba wakhe uyiphoyisa. Kuyashisa apha phansi fayicathula. It's alleged ukuthi lo guy lona uyiphoyisa, right? So because uyiphoyisa baba lo guy ngazi ukuthi allegedly uyalicisha icala every time she calls. So case ke was handed over to Ntahla Mkhwanazi because Usne was now going on social media, on Instagram particularly, shooting a live video of her, crying as a result of this toxic relationship. And the latest video she shot was of her basically burning this guy's car down, and this is as a result from this guy allegedly attacking her and assaulting her with intimbi ebusweni. So out of retaliation, she burnt this guy's car down completely, right? And in while she was doing that, apparently she was too close to the car, so ushisa imoto naye wasewasha. So action kwakhe, she was rushed to hospital, and through being rushed to hospital, kuthiwa nje umuntu, the last video engiyizwile of umuntu who saw her uthi nje ubhandisheke konke indawo, and this girl is burnt, and this has caused a national unrest kwabantu besifazane in South Africa, because there's a high level of femicide in this country that we have been fighting for years. Even last year, kwakhona a purple profile picture that was fighting against domestic violence and abuse against women. So Nomza Mombata allegedly knows this woman personally, and she basically was calling out the police for basically turning a blind eye to such a serious matter. And then other celebrities started posting about her, and it's now a national problem, right? So Janum Kanadi took the case, and upon him taking the case, it's found out Ugutu Snena has been allegedly also abusing Andile or assaulting Andile, and about two are basically very toxic towards each other. But obviously, Andile being the stronger one in the relationship, uyena mazu usineka kakhulu physically, because akasamshaya ngezandla uzamshaya ngamapayipi and things of that nature. And my thing is this, like, what happened to leaving a relationship if you're not happy? Like, I understand why. What happened to leaving a relationship? Why fanele umuntu umshaye aze akufonele amaphoyisa kuze kungenwe abantu abaningi kangaka, into efana ngabe kade wayishiya, and the worst part kuthiwa this Andile guy usemshayela kubo, and now she's in ICU and kuyadabukisa, and she's fighting for her life. And it's so sad. But Mina Shem, what I'm really disappointed by my comments, seeing my comments of women sticking up for this Andile guy. I really, really don't like that, because at the end of the day, guys, honestly speaking, no matter what between the two of them, I feel like if a guy is physically stronger than a woman, that gives him an unfair advantage. We fight, so he's obviously gonna win. So if you're a guy and you're gonna hit a woman, you're obviously gonna win because you're stronger than her. So you fighting her, kahle kahle ngifila ngathi ukuthi ufuna ukumbulala, or I feel like usuke ube bully. It's equivalent to you being a bully because uyazi ukuthi vele she's not gonna win. So it's abusive, it's wrong, and I feel like as much as Usne also hit Andile, but Andile should not be hitting Usne. They should have broken up from jump, and Andile should have left Usne bebona ukuthi Usne uyamhlula, and vice versa. You know, for them to keep on bothering each other, it's giving Zamperema, but I do feel like Andile is more wrong because Andile is more physically strong than Usne. Like, that is just the reality. And mubuga Usne na musubuga ithambeza Andile kalimale ndawo, Usne unebazi konke indawo, unengozi la under her breast, unamapapa muzi, uno black eye. It's bad, you know. And it's really, really hard for women to leave like abusive relationships. It's super duper hard because this person first works on your mental before physical. So essentially, like, he's already done with you psychologically. He's done with you. So when the physical abuse comes, so it's like this, you know. So it's hard for you to leave that type of situation. So I just feel like women that are in the comment section speaking and like blaming Usne rather than, obviously both of them are wrong, 100% both of them are wrong, like both of them 100% they're wrong, but guys, like, have some empathy for her, because uyena use ICU andile right la ekhona, yes fine useboshiwe kodwa right la ekhona usazoba nempilo aqhubeke. You know what I'm saying? Like, he still has an opportunity to live. Lomunye is fighting for her life. She might not live ever again. And it's like, it's like, have some empathy. I'm not saying side with Usne, but I'm saying have empathy for the situation. And remember that you're a female too. And if you don't support her today, we could be talking about you tomorrow. So it is in your best interest to fight against this and not perpetuate this narrative, not be the person that basically sides with the guy, because you don't know your tomorrow. You're a female. So if you're a female, we could be talking about you tomorrow too. And the way you're defending the guy, they could be defending the guy the next time when you have the same problem. So it is in your best interest to fight against GBV, because you could be next. Period. Anyway, guys, if you like my page, please do subscribe for more of my videos and tell me what you think in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching till this far. Goodbye.